Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Blackberry, Minnesota, a quiet and scenic town surrounded by forests, fields, and small lakes. This peaceful community is a great spot to enjoy a relaxing drive or take in nature along the way. Blackberry was first settled in the 1800s, with early residents drawn to the area for farming and logging. The town got its name from the wild blackberries that grow in the region, which were plentiful and well known to early settlers. Today, you'll see charming homes, local roads, and plenty of green spaces that highlight the town's rural beauty. Whether you're here to explore the countryside, enjoy a scenic drive, or simply relax in a peaceful setting, Blackberry, Minnesota has something for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Blackberry, Minnesota. Thanks for watching!